There are 9 races in our Green Power season, and Talladega comes along just to end it. So the annual problem is not really a problem, it's finding a good way to win it. Like maybe starting the season, finishing second, 4 consecutive races. We can't win that way, we're better than that guy, remember who we are. We made from James and got the car fixed, now we're ready to go. Starting at Richmond Hill, we finished first in the next 5 races. As you can see, there's a whole lot of winter bands covering up our wall. Stick with us, cause 999 is gonna win it all. Stick with us, cause 999 is gonna win it all.
Mr. Graham, there's no more room for trophies.